That's a nice body.
Pretty finish, actually. I mean, it needs a little, no. It could have been buffed out a little better. I see some roughness in the finish. But see some of the work I do, I can't really criticize in that level.
Yeah, a few spots maybe on the pick guard.
Tone, volume, I'm sure, and pickup selectors ought to be one of them. Or a separate volume for each pickup, I'm guessing, and a tone for them.
It's got a pretty grain. Oh, wow.
It's got the body cut out here.
Yeah.
More comfortable playing. I like it's a bolt-on neck because we can do this project a lot better with the bolt-on neck. It could be a little bit smoother. Maybe we'll put a satin finish on that.
Yeah, just a little bit of sand and make that really smooth.
Uh-huh.
It's not bad shape at all.
Big old tuning keys. Gear driven, they don't look like they're going to fall apart or anything. I will get a photo and put it in the video of the ends of the frets. They do need a little dressing. They don't look rough on the top. I don't know if you do the same with the bass as you do a guitar or not, but you're supposed to go every fret and listen for a dead one. I don't hear anything really bad.
No, it looks really nice too. I like the body style. It's going to be interesting to work on.
The neck looks no twist in it that I can see. Action, it depends on your playing style. To me, it might be a little high. You got good inclination adjustment for the bridge back here and up and down as well. So you can set your radius. Overall, for the price, I think it's a hell of a deal actually.
Yeah. It's a really nice looking instrument. It is.
I don't feel any grittiness. Just a little dressing on the ends of the frets is all I can feel that it needs, really.
It's beautiful though. The grain, if we get it down and that's the true grain on it, that is gorgeous finish.
If you hit the right light just right, you can see like almost like brush marks in the finish.
Yeah,
Can
I'm
you
not
see
sure.
that?
Yeah. Yeah, like right there, maybe a little too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it was touched up a tad.
Like another video I seen a guy say, he said they just did it really quick. You know, so.
This area is what I'm curious about, what it's going to be.
I don't know if I said it on the video before, but we're going to carve us a wooden pick guard, I believe, and she's going to burn that as well.
It's going to be fun.
So, oh.
Do you want to say hello? Nope.
No? Come on, Ben.
Nope.
Where's camera one?
There.
Okay. feel like it's
Headphones.
I don't know.
Where's input?
Hey, how you doing? Yeah.
What is that?
He said, I feel like it's looking at me. I don't know.
Wow. The cable is really, really thin. So,
We'll see.
that cable probably ain't gonna last you a long time. Could last you forever though, you know.
Who knows?
Just not a quality
Yeah,
cable, which
right.
for the price this thing costs, you can't expect anything. That's as high as it goes. I would say I
It needs
tuned a little bit.
Maybe so.
I'm gonna have to look to see what knob controls what.
I'm not sure.
I'd say that's probably. This is probably tone. I'm saying this is the bridge. Yeah, okay. And the way I can test that.
I'm going to excuse myself.
Okay. Yep. So I will be back after I tune this thing and learn
Bye-bye.
something to play on it, just to test it. So, catch you later. Be right back. Okay, let's plug her in here. Get this out of the way. Okay, well, we're gonna run. What I'm thinking is the neck pickup here, I'm sure it is. I can find that out. Easy way to find out which pickup is which. I know the back one here is the tone. That's the neck. And that's the bridge. Should be, but sometimes you never know. Oops. Okay, that's volume all the way up on here. Tone was all the way up. That's both pickups. Let's just try the neck pickup. Okay. Now we'll go to, let's see, that was tone all the way up. Let's just take it all the way down. Tone makes a big difference. I kind of like that sound a little bit better than the brighter sound actually. Let's go to the bridge, tone all the way up. I hear a hum. Little bit of hum on I guess you'd call this the middle, not really the neck, because it's not close to the neck. Not as much as the one back here though. Tone all the way down. Grounding in here. I think while I have it apart, I will probably do some shielding in it. I doubt if there's any shielding. When I get her tore apart, I will take pictures of all that and everything as well. The amp work for $109 for the whole outfit. I think was pretty good when I could have bought a blemish kit that had glue issues and stuff like that, which would I'd have to paint or something. Well, not if we're going to burn it, maybe not. But it would have been $80 for a base kit with no amp, anything, and it had been cheap parts. I mean, this is surely probably cheap parts. I got some dust on the fretboard. The fretboard's pretty nice, and I don't feel any real fret sprout. The nut is probably, I'm guessing, surely plastic. I don't know, but all in all, not bad. So, next portion of the video, I will be tearing this thing down, getting her sanded down, and handing it off to Olivia, and let her take it from there. So, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye.